everyone, on this Tuesday. Temperatures not too bad out there, 25 to 30 degrees across the area. It's a little bit colder than that in Napoleon and Upper Sandusky. You're at 24. But this isn't that bad. It's above average, certainly, for where we should be for mid-February. Unfortunately, the actual daytime temperatures are going to end up being a little bit below average because we aren't going very far whatsoever from these numbers, and that's due to some widespread cloud coverage across the area. Now, there might also be a few very light snow flurries around, and that's because if we look off to the south, a very large snowstorm is taking place across parts of Kentucky and West Virginia. This is not going to impact our weather in any way, but as it moves off to the east, it will continue to give us these clouds through the day today. A new storm system that hasn't really gotten its act together yet off to our south and west will then develop, and that one is what will give us the chance for some wintry mix for your day on Wednesday. So as we look at our skycast through the day today, we're going to be just fine, just cloudy. High temperatures today, 33 to 35 degrees or so in the afternoon. Then tonight, we should stay mainly cloudy with temperatures dropping to right around the 20-degree mark. Again, I can't rule out a passing snow flurry here or there. Now, tomorrow morning is not a problem. However, as we go through the early afternoon hours, there we are. 4 o'clock, we have snow in the north and a wintry mix everywhere else. Some of this mix could change over to some rain, but if you want, I want to point out the temperatures here. This is extremely close. A 1-degree temperature difference is going to be the difference between rain and ice or even snow. I also want to point out that this particular computer model run does not change over the precipitation at all from snow in places like Paulding, Defiance, and Henry counties. If that is the case, where this does stay all snow, you're looking at something along the lines of 3 to 6 inches of accumulation. So definitely do keep that at least in the back of your mind as an absolute worst scenario. I don't think that is very likely whatsoever across the Lima area, but if you go anywhere off to the north, definitely keep that in mind. I do, however, think there could be some pretty decent icing around, especially in the overnight hours Wednesday into Thursday morning. The good news is that by Thursday early in the morning, 1, 2 o'clock, it'll be gone, but anything that is still wet will freeze, so definitely take extra travel time on the commutes both Wednesday night and Thursday morning. So for today, again, cloudy skies. An isolated flurry can't be ruled out, a high right around that 33-degree mark. And then tonight, we're dropping things down to 22 degrees or so. It'll be mostly cloudy. It'll be breezy, but overall, it's not too bad. And then for your day on Thursday and on Wednesday, rather, an afternoon wintry mix develops. Icing is likely here in Lima as well as most of the area, although it could be mostly or all snow in the northwestern parts of the region. Then after that, we dry things out for Thursday and Friday, which looks pretty decent for Valentine's Day. Unfortunately, the weekend we get to do it all over again with snow or a wintry mix Saturday and Sunday, and then we go into a deep freeze Sunday through Tuesday with highs in the teens and lows near 0. So that's not ideal, but we do at least have a few decent days in the forecast. Holly and